Okay, so up here at the garden, and these here is asparagus beans. That's the flower pod, I guess. And this is the start of your bean. These beans can get up to 3 feet long. They're crazy, but look at this here. Yep. These are just baby beans here. They say they're best at 18 inches. I'm gonna say these are both are at least 18 inches because they go, oh, sorry about my hand there, just flicking that bug off. Down. Look at this thing. They're really tender to eat. Clearly they're a pole bean if you put them up on the pole. But this one is long. Look at this. Yeah, my sound effects there really help with you guys understanding what I'm talking about here. But I mean, yeah, this is an asparagus bean. They are very long, full of beans. But, you know, surprisingly, they're not big inside. One bean could feed a person. So, and these are non-GMO, so we're going to save them. But, oh, look how cool this is. So you can see where this here is. Opens up like this. And then it will start. Let me back up so you can see better. There you go. Get in focus there. But you can see how it's starting to grow the bean out of that there flower. And then there will be more up top. But those are baby beans with an ant crawling on it. And then young beans. Then you got your teenager beans. And then you got your adult beans. If it makes sense. I can't even get the whole thing in here. It's so big. But yeah, those are asparagus beans. Like I said, pole type. Growing plumb up our stake here in our mess of weeds. Because we do not have time for this. But there you have it. Okay, the asparagus bean is going. And it is 30 inches long. So, that's a long bean.